Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we dive straight into how to create a knowledge base in Monday.com, your complete guide for 2025. To kick things off, log into your Monday.com account. This is where you'll manage your entire knowledge base from, so make sure you're familiar with the layout. It's important you're comfortable navigating the platform because it's the foundation of your knowledge base. Now that we're logged in, our first step is to create a new board. Click on the New button, then select Board. Name it something like Knowledge Base. The reason we do this is because a board is the main workspace for all your tasks, files, and conversations. It's the hub for your knowledge base. Next up, let's add some groups to our board. Click on New Group, then create as many groups as you need. You might have groups for different departments, projects, or topics. This helps us because groups keep your board organized and easy to navigate. Remember, the clearer your knowledge base, the more effective it becomes. With our group set up, we can now add items. These are the individual pieces of knowledge you're sharing. Click on New Item, then fill in the details. Be sure to add a description and attach any relevant files. The reason we do this is that items are the lifeblood of your knowledge base. They contain the actual information you want to share. Now, let me explain why this matters. By adding detailed items, you're creating a resource that can answer questions, provide guidance, and solve problems. Essentially, you're empowering your team with information. Moving on, let's customize our item's details. Click on the Column Center button, then select More Columns. Here, you can add all sorts of details like status, priority, and assignee. This helps us because the more information we provide, the more useful our knowledge base becomes. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. Every time you add or update an item, Monday.com automatically saves and organizes the information. This means your knowledge base is always up to date and ready to help your team. Finally, we need to share our knowledge base. Click on the Share button, then choose who you want to share it with. You can share it with specific people, teams, or everyone in your organization. Remember, the goal of a knowledge base is to share knowledge, so don't forget this step. And there you have it. You've just created a knowledge base in Monday.com. It's a simple process, but it can have a big impact on your team's productivity and effectiveness. With that, we've reached the end of our guide. Thanks for joining us. Now go out there and create a knowledge base that will empower your team. Until next time.